Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a price-reduced home in the Refuge that backs right to the golf course. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 1898 East Birkdale Lane inside the Refuge Golf Course in Lake Havasu. This one was just reduced to $729. It was originally listed for $759. A couple vacant lots across the street. Of course, the Refuge is a planned unit development, so everything has to meet architectural and building guidelines. There is underground utilities and natural gas out here. Let's go check it out. All right, real nice entry, wide 8-foot door. All right guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2020, 2,200 square feet. Again, was just reduced from $759 to $729. Big open living area, split floor plan, tall ceilings, big open entry, can lights, big open kitchen area, all tile floors. Nice eat-at granite counters, little dining area, gas range, pantry, stainless appliances, looks like a double oven or a microwave combo. You have RO drinking water at the sink, nice tile backsplash. So you have your indoor laundry and door to the garage and your master on one side of the house. So this is the master bedroom. You have a nice master bath with dual vanities. Nice soaking tub, granite counters, again, tall ceilings. You have a toilet with its own door, plus a big walk-in closet. You have a huge walk-in shower with nice stone and tile work. So you have your other 2 bedrooms and bath on the other side of the house. So you have bedroom number 2, kind of in the middle of the house. Has a full 3-panel sliding doors for the closet. You have your guest bath, which is nice, has granite counters, tall ceilings, nice tiled glass door shower. So you have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. Same setup with the 3-panel door in here as well. Go check out the garage. So you have a pretty big indoor laundry, utility sink with granite counters, a little bit of storage. All right, so you have a nice garage. They got all their stuff in here ready to go, but it has basically like a 1-car side that's 28 feet deep and a 2-car side that's 40 feet deep. Both have insulated 9-foot doors. Got your water heater and your reverse osmosis, water softener. So you have a nice little back patio. Backs right to the fairway. So there is plenty of room for a pool in this backyard. There's actually some conceptual renderings attached to the listing. I'll put a direct link to the listing details so you can see all those pictures as well. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Birkdale. If you guys have any questions, I'll always put a direct link to my contact information right below this video. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, including those pool renderings, and a link so that you can see the current price, availability, and all that. So you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon.